In this video guide, I will show with you how you can possible to withdraw your money from CoinStats. So if you want to withdraw money, if you click your profile icon or your setting, you can find any option to withdraw directly. So friends, just I see some here on Reddit, I see this option. You don't have a new option directly, but you have some alternative method, just like support as option. You can see the support as option, but you should be connect your portfolio here. Select your portfolio to connect your wallet from Binance, for example. Choose this one. And then friends, you have two options. You have support team via email. Write, for example, here a request to withdraw money from here. I write all details such your account, your email address. Choose your amount you want to withdraw. For example, you have $100, and then send this email here. After that, you have this option also. Send a message, click send a message. Send a message from here, write your email address, and then write request to withdraw. This is for email support, and then you can reach the support team and you will guide you how you can withdraw your money. So basically this is how you can do. I hope this guide helpful for your friends. Don't forget give like and give share this video.